Hello traders, how are you? Vladimir here from Traders Academy Club, and in this video a weekly forex outlook and the market review, and we are preparing for a trading week starting on 24 of April 2022. I hope you enjoyed your weekend and you're ready to rock in this another exciting trading week, and there are several amazing trading opportunities. But before I start with the two amazing opportunities I find Euro Pound and Euro Yen for this video, and to review the previous weekly video where we cover the Aussie-CAD and Pound-Kiwi. If you are new to this channel, welcome to our amazing community. Please subscribe to the channel with the subscribe button below the video. And also I invite you to our trading family, Traders Academy Club, where you will enjoy from real-time trading ideas, real-time trading education. Every single trading opportunity comes with a dedicated, detailed, fully explained video, and everything is track recording in our trading journal. Besides that, you also get your access to our VIP price action course. Join our family with the link below in the description or in the pinned comment in the comment section. So as I said, let's quickly review the previous week where we were talking about Aussie-CAD and the Pound-Kiwi. Both very interesting ideas that we worked with. The Aussie-CAD, the scenario that happened to be here, it's the drop to the downside, which now starts to be very interesting, and here is why. Going back to the weekly time frame, here is where we got the flip, right? So this bearish trend flipped, making higher highs, and now we are retesting the previous swing lows, low and low. This becomes a beautiful zone of interest for the buyers. If we take a look on the divergence, we can see we had lower lows on the chart, higher lows on the MACD moving averages. Indication of a bullish divergence, which then we flip to make higher highs to create convergence, higher highs on the chart, higher highs on the MACD histogram. By the dips is usually the plan in that cases. So what do we have here? Going down to the daily chart, the way I see that, we are in a potential zigzag. So we had two waves to the upside. I believe we should create some sort of two waves here, or at least some sort of a range, and then probably potential buys. And this is currently is exactly what I am looking at, a possible stoppage of this move down and a pullback. So we have this low of interest, and the next one on the line is here. And of the previous downtrend, our swing lows located right at this area. So this becomes a massive zone for us, right? Now, let's put it together. Okay, and when I go to the lower time frame, this is the zone of interest for us. Now look what happens here. Very interesting scenario. We are about to complete three waves to the downside, and a bullish divergence potentially building up. So this is exactly what I want to see. A slow down here, a turn around where the indicators start to indicate making higher lows while the chart making the lower lows, right? And complete this turn around on this area and start the rally. But this is what I believe should happen on the short term. Very important thing to note, if we just break through this level before a bullish divergence completes, or if there is no bullish divergence completes, this is a very strong bearish sign, and then it could indicate that we are just going for one more drop down until the next divergence will complete. At the moment, I don't think this is what is happening. I believe we should see some slowdown here. The divergence, as I explained before, take place, and this is the area we were talking before. That's where I believe we should be having the correction. Let me know, what do you think about this pair. And also, if you find this video and these ideas I share with you in the channel helpful and useful, please show your support back. Hit this like button below the video. Drop some few words, feedback in the comment section. This is how YouTube algorithm works. It needs your help. I need your help. I need your support. So this channel continue to stay relevant and help to other traders. And thank you very much in advance to all those of you who take the time to support and to help. The next one in our list is the Pound-Kiwi, where we wanted to see the drop down from the swing. We got it during the week, and then a bullish hidden divergence takes place and another rally comes. I'm still not confident about this pair at the moment because we are building up here a bearish hidden divergence. Let me show you that. Here's 3 waves to the downside, rally and lower highs on the chart, higher highs on the indicator, indicating a bearish hidden divergence. And I think this volume zone and this high, okay, right here, it's pretty wide area, and that's why I am not comfortable with this pair at the moment. It could easily go high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, and make very tricky setups to trade. So at the moment, I tend to be more neutral on the pair. However, if we do see that continuously climbing toward this area, I'll be definitely looking for fake highs and switch to lower lows to sell the rallies. Okay, I will follow that up, of course. And as I said before, if you want to enjoy all our real-time trading ideas as we spot them with dedicated videos explaining all the trading techniques I apply for every single trading opportunity, join our family in Traders Academy Club with the link below in the description or the pinned comment. So what do we have for today? That would be the Euro Yen and the Euro Pound. I'll start with the Euro Pound, and also I would start with a reminder. This very indicator you see on the chart, the volume profile indicator, key trading levels indicator, with automatic control of a multi-time frame scan right here, all from one table, with absolute control over the trends you have on a multi-time frame scan, is available for you completely free with the link below in the pinned message. Okay, in the comment section there is a pinned message from myself. You can find the KTL indicator, that's a key trading level indicator. Follow the link, download it, and enjoy it. At the moment it's available only for MT4. In the future it will be available for MT5. It's one of the greatest indicators for me personally, especially when I do the multi-time frame analysis. So go ahead, download it, enjoy it, and let me know how do you find it. So Euro Pound, what do we have here? A bullish divergence from the weekly after clear 3 waves to the downside. A bullish divergence, lower lows on the chart, higher lows on the moving average of the MACD, fake breakout below the previous swing low. So far looks very promising, and the interesting part I see here is the daily, because the daily managed to flip the highs, make a zigzag, 2 waves to the upside, 2 waves to the downside, and this high is now been broken. As you can see, it's not just been broken, it also comes with a lot of volume prior to the breakout. Going down to the 4-hour chart, this is where it starts to be interesting. The move down ended with a bullish divergence and a bullish convergence, higher highs on the chart, higher highs on the indicator. And besides that, we build 3 waves upside. So the way I see that, by the dips becomes the plan here. As long as the price manages to hold above these lows and we don't have the price going below this area, by the dips for me is the direction for this pair. And I would not be surprised if we will try to reach the previous highs, and potentially if we go back to the weekly, even much more. As you can see there, this is first of all the zone of volume. here. And if we manage to break that, the next one is here. That could be massive for a long run. Time will tell if the buyers are ready for that. Let me know, what do you think about the euro pound, and how do you see this one? Also, if you have any interesting instruments you want me to ask about and me to cover as trading opportunities during the week or the next weekly video, of course, if I find something interesting, I have to share. If I find nothing I can share, then feel free to ask in the comment section below. And I'll be more than happy to assist if I have something to share. Next one on the list is the euro yen, which I find super interesting, and here is why. But before that, if you missed my analysis on the euro yen, 2 videos I published there, make sure you watch them in the YouTube channel directly, or right now on the right top corner of this video, you can find there's on the exclamation mark a direct link to watch the analysis. The first one for us was this breakout where we enjoyed a massive rally, and now on the last video I was analyzing the condition that I expect a slowdown here and a flip to the downside. So here is what happens here. Starting from the higher time frame, we need to pay attention to these 2 levels. I think these levels are amazing, and also of course the previous swing high of the long time ago rally. This is a real zone of interest for the sellers from my point of view, and I believe that the closer we climb there, we should see the slowdowns, fake highs being created, and eventually a possible turnaround of a lot of pips to the downside. Going down to the weekly time frame, we do not have much. However, we do have here a potential bearish divergence developing. Of course, for that we need the moving average to turn around, and that could take several weeks, and this is why we probably will be busy with the short term right now. Here is what happens on a daily chart. Watching on the Bollinger Bands, we have 20 candles right on the upper Bollinger Band, which puts the pressure here, and every rally usually rejects in such cases, and that's what I expect to happen as well. Now, a rejection over the level of 140 psychological round number, and as you can see, these spikes here give some sort of indication that the buyers are at the beginning of closing their positions. So if we go to the 4-hour chart, as you can see, again, key daily level, and I believe there will be more developing here. And again, I want to remind you, this indicator, the KTL indicator, key trading level indicators based on the volume profile, download it free with the link below the video and the pinned message. Follow the KTL indicator, follow the link, download, and enjoy it. So the way I see that, on the daily, we do not yet have moving averages divergence between these highs, which by itself usually means that if there will be correction, we probably should see that making something like that first. So on the short term, sell the rallies could definitely work, right? Something like that. But on a bit on a midterm, buy these dips with a bullish setup from important levels, which we have here, plenty of them, right? Look for a further bullish continuation, because according to higher time frames, it seems not yet completed. Now, this is exactly what I look to do. On the short term, we have two options. We already had one false breakout with the bearish divergence. So we either get the second false breakout, which would be ideal, because for trend change, we need two false breakouts usually or more. If it managed to happen, one more fake high, I'll be looking for these sells. And the other scenario is that we complete some sort of a short-term correction here before we continue the rallies. And for that to follow, 1 hour chart could be definitely a possible scenario. This is where we flipped, right, on the 4 hour. And this is where the 1 hour potentially creates some sort of a zigzag. So 2 waves down, 2 waves up, right, with a breakout, for example, could provide a beautiful short-term opportunity to the downside. It could also develop a range instead, something like that before the breakout. Okay, this could be the short-term opportunity, and these are the two ways I would be looking to find my opportunities with the EUR-yen this week. Let me know, what do you think about this instrument and how do you expect this one to move? What's your direction, bullish or bearish? And I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for watching this video, for your support in my work. I hope you find it useful and helpful. Feel free to share this video with anyone who you believe can benefit watching this video. And once again, I invite you to our trading family to enjoy from all the best value we have to offer. Follow the link below in the description or in the pinned comment. I hope to see you with us. And thank you very much for your time again. I wish you and yours all the best. Happy weekend and successful trading week ahead. Bye for now.